Hey guys, these Jersey reviews have been a blast so far. You know, checking out all these pizza places and the breweries. Man, that farmhouse brewery place was just fantastic. I had no idea that you could actually have a brewery farm. So I'm happy to be in Jersey, happy to be doing all these reviews. I know you're watching. I'm really thankful for all that.
Louis, oh my God, they let you out of the mental institution.
I'm sorry, dude.
You speak so well. What are you doing? They let you use a camera?
I mean, this is my camera. Who are you?
Joe Mulligan. I'm the owner of Mulligan's.
Oh,
yeah.
You're the owner of Mulligan's.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah,
dude,
yeah,
I'm about to do a burger review for your place. Yeah.
all right.
Yeah.
Thanks, Louis. I'll let you do your review. Do your thing.
Okay.
You haven't seen Larry around, have you?
I don't. This is the first time here. I don't know.
I think that's my house painter. I'm gonna go talk to him.
That guy's really loud.
Louis, I'll be back.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm looking forward to the burger, man. You know, I love coming to these places and meeting the owners. Sometimes they give really good history, but this was definitely a weird experience. I mean, I'm hoping the food's better than that. So,
Rasco! There you are! What are you doing? You're supposed to be in the kitchen painting. You're letting all of the paint rollers dry out. Get back to work. What are you doing out here? Stop looking at me like this.
Hey, excuse me, man.
Yeah?
I'm just here filming. This is for my YouTube show. I don't know who you're talking about, so I'm gonna ask you to just, give me some space.
I'm sorry, you look just like my painter Rasco. What's your name?
My name's
You're not Rasco.
My name's Gabriel Manning.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, I'll try to find him.
Okay. I don't know. That's two people in a row thinking I'm like Louis Rasco. I mean, is that even a real name? I don't get it. But look, just wanted to say again, thank you. We're about to reach 100 episodes on Starving Actor Food Reviews, and it's just been a wonderful journey, and I'm looking forward to the path to 200 episodes. So, hi, my name is Gabriel Manick. I'm an actor.
Hey! I'm Larry Gilbert, and this is Larry Gilbert's Burger Review! Hey! Over here! Larry Gilbert's Burger Tavern Review! We're gonna eat some burgers right now from my restaurant, Mulligan's, which I own.
No, excuse you. Louis, I need to stop.
Louis.
Okay.
Why
you have
are
a
you
restraining order. You have a restraining order on this place. You cannot be here in the vicinity.
No. Okay, excuse me. My name's not Louis. I don't know who you are, and I'm in the middle of filming.
Review some burgers.
No.
This is my show.
I'm going to review some burgers because this is my show. So, hi. My name is Gabriel Manick.
My name is Larry Gilbert.
I'm an
and
actor.
I own Mulligan's restaurant.
I'm Pete.
And I'm starving.
I'm starving.
I'm
starving.
No.
We gotta paint this place.
Mulligan's is a family restaurant.
I am starving.
Mulligan's
This is
a
Mulligan's restaurant that
It's a
Louis
family.
Gilbert owns.
It's a family
It's
place.
my family's
Okay,
place.
finally. All right, off. If you want to say it together, that's fine. That's fine. You're just not going to be in the review because it's my show. So, hi, my name is Gabriel Manick. I'm an actor, and I'm starving.
I'm starving.
I'm
starving.
No, I'm starving.
I can eat.
Okay, well then I'll feed you at my restaurant.
We need some clear audio.
My name is Joe Mulligan, and I need therapy after this. Excuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry. That sounds very sad.
I need a beer.
Okay. Hi, my name is Gabriel Manick.
I'm Larry Gilbert.
All right, I give up.
And this is my burger review. Come on, we're doing the review over here. Hey, well, it's not for the fries, so I'm gonna eat one.
Okay.
You want my fry?
No. I got plenty here.
No.
This is weird.
Now I got one less.
Okay.
All right. Hey, this is my show, Larry Gilbert's Burger Tavern Review. What we got here is what I call, I'll get that for you. This is the DWI burger.
The DWI.
The DWI burger, yeah, I made it, I invented it after I got one.
No, I mean I took a photo because I wanted to see what was in it. It's the Drunken Burger, like it's on the menu.
Joe Mulligan, he changed the name again. First he changes the name of my restaurant. It was Larry Gilbert's Burger Tavern. Now it says Mulligan's. Then I make the DWI burger to celebrate having a good time, and he changes it to Drunken.
Okay.
I can't believe it. This is ridiculous.
All right.
Well, let's see what else he changed. Yeah, let's see what else he changed.
Well, I mean, it just look.
Was that
it
a pick?
says-
This used to be called a
it's a-
pickle. What is this called now?
No, it's still-
Is that a sloppy slugger?
It's-
Is that called? It's called the wiggly woggler. What's going on? It's called the green Goomba. Were you gonna slide that in your mouth or what? What's going on? Yeah, okay, let's taste it. Does it taste like a pickle still? Oh no, it tastes like candy corn now. Oh, everything's different. Everything's on its head since Joe Mulligan decided to get in here.
You're not even showing up on camera.
Yeah, I'm so upset I don't want to show my face.
All right. Well, I mean, this is a pickle, but it's like.
I'm gonna calm down with a fry.
I mean, what do you do on your show? Like, do you just complain, or do you actually like review food here?
I review my food so people come to my restaurant.
But this isn't your restaurant. It says Mulligan's on the top.
Stabbing me in the back even now. What is is he paying you?
He's not paying me. I'm here.
How about you take a bite of the burger and tell me what you think?
Okay.
That's the burger. That's called a burger now.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So
Right.
so that's how you. Okay.
Yeah, I want you to take a bite of the burger, and I'm gonna take a bite of the burger.
Okay. Well, it's not my show anymore. But
What do you want me to do? Tell people this? I called this DUI. They're calling it now. Mulligan's is calling it the Drunken Burger. All right. When I made it, it had sautéed onions. It had Cajun spices.
Yeah.
This one's made medium rare. It's
Yeah.
got American cheese on
yeah,
it.
that's exactly what's in a Drunken Burger.
Can you believe this, ladies and gentlemen? This is ridiculous. You know,
Okay. All right. Fine. All right. Fine. It's a DWI.
Thank you.
DWI.
Thank
All right,
you.
Fine.
All right, my ex-wife thinks I'm a cuck enough. This is too much.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Let's take a bite, and I want to know what you think.
So-
and I'm going to need a rating. All right?
So
I'm going to
did-
need a rating from... yeah, baby!
Yeah. I'd like to give you.
Oh, you want to get a number like, what's that guy's name? David Pemberton?
David, he's a bear.
Greg,
Yeah.
Greg Jenkinson, what's that guy's name?
Uh,
David Pornography.
Mr. Porno.
Yeah,
Mr.
okay.
Pornography himself.
Yeah,
Well,
Mike Portnoy.
something like that. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's,
okay.
Dave Portnoy. But do you have a slogan? I mean, I have like first bite's the one that counts. when
Yeah,
you're
first
starving.
bite's the one that counts. My slogan: shove it in your face and taste it.
You know, that is weird. It actually is kind of catchy.
Thank you. That's my slogan. It ain't just for burgers, it's for beer and everything else. If I see dirt, I shove it in my face and taste it, all right?
All right. Well, you know, it's starting to get a little chilly.
Yeah,
We should
that's so
probably-
great. So take a bite.
Okay, fine. All right.
All right, let's go.
So,
Jeez, this guy keeps talking.
if
All right.
it tastes good, shove it in your face.
Shove it in your face and taste it.
Shove it in your face and taste it.
Oh my God, this guy, yes. All right.
Wow. I did ask for medium rare.
Yeah, mine's a bit medium.
Mine's a bit medium as well.
I guess Joe's got someone else in the back cooking. Looks like the burger, the way they're doing it now, the cheese is on top, and then everything else is on the bottom.
Wait, that's sauteed onions?
That's supposed to be sauteed onions, yeah.
It looks like peppers.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it looks like maybe jalapeno in there. I can taste the Cajun sauce, though.
Did they give us the right burger?
I think so. Well, let's do the same thing, whatever it is.
Honestly, so like I guess like it's on a roll, which I think is a great idea.
Yeah.
The roll's a little dry. I don't know if it's
Yeah.
because we've been standing outside.
Maybe, yeah.
I like that you're calming down. Maybe you're just hangry the whole time. I think you were hangry. So I think Larry, if that is your real name.
There's a reason why I opened a burger tavern.
Mhm.
I'll be honest with you. You know, you kind of look like my cousin Louis, so I feel closeness to you. I make the burgers to eat the burgers, because when I get hungry, I get angry. And when I eat the burger, I'm feeling good. And that's why Joe Mulligan took it all from me, and why I'll never let him live it down.
I get it, man. You know, that's why I'm a starving actor, and that's why I've got my show. It's usually first meal of the day, which is around 2 o'clock.
Well, you're a starving actor? You're gonna pay for this, right?
Well, I mean, since I am giving, you know, promotion and advertisement to...
No, this is
Your
my
restaurant.
show. This is my show. You gotta pay for your burger. What do
I
you
gotta
think?
pay for this burger?
Yeah.
But why? I mean, first off, I was filming a show and then you completely took over it. I get it, but at the same time, I think it's kind of rude.
All right, fine. We'll put it on Joe Mulligan's tab. All right.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's
That's what
fine.
I do usually, anyway.
I met him. He seemed like a nice
Yeah,
guy.
he's paying off my mortgage.
He's paying off your mortgage.
I put it in his name. What's he supposed to do?
I guess pay it off.
Yeah, exactly. I don't even have a house.
That's a pretty sweet deal. I mean,
Yeah, I just got free money.
free money.
And I pointed to a house. I told the bank, that's mine. They gave it to me. The mortgage.
That's just a bunch of woods over there.
It's behind this somewhere. It's a little
Behind
shack. Yeah, you ever seen the Blair Witch Project?
Of course.
Yeah, that house.
That same house.
Yeah.
You got the Blair Witch
Yeah,
House.
at night I go in and I stand in the corner.
I mean, what else would you do?
Well, it doesn't get cable, so what am I supposed to
You
do?
have 4 corners. You have to choose
Yeah,
one.
it doesn't get any Wi-Fi signal.
Oh, I thought you were standing in that corner because that's the only place where you can get a Wi-Fi signal.
No, that's the only place where there's a roof.
Oh. Okay. Well,
So I need a rating.
so what? 0 through 10?
All right, fine. Let's do it your way. 0 through 10.
Oh, right. No, I'm sorry. You said from to.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we can go based off that. Honestly, I'm gonna take a bite of the middle because
Yeah. Let's see what's going on in the middle there.
I don't. Maybe it's the Cajun seasoning. I don't know. I mean, now I'm getting some red.
There's pepper in here. Green pepper.
I'm not sure, man. This is I mean, I did ask for medium rare.
Yeah.
It's that is.
It's dirty.
This is what this is for.
Yeah, it reminded me to wipe my hand. Thank you.
I can't wait to be off this thing for it to be my own show again. I can't wait. To
I don't
leave
know.
New
I think
Jersey.
we've got a wonderful partnership going on. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
Well, I can't deny that. I mean, it is. You are definitely a quirk. We don't have people like this in Atlanta.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I'm sure we do, but I just don't go to those places.
Uh-huh.
Which makes a lot of sense why
Uh-huh.
I'm not having the best time right now.
Uh-huh.
So hang on. So, all right, I'll play along with this guy. So here at Larry Gilbert's Burger Tavern.
You heard that, Linda?
Who's Linda?
My ex-wife.
Your ex? You think your ex-wife is watching?
She better be.
Huh. No, I see why she's your ex-wife.
Yeah, she didn't appreciate me. That's why she's got to watch on the YouTube.
Right.
See, I'm making something of myself.
Keeping your distance.
That's right. I'm an internet star now. I'm an influencer.
All right. Well, you know, the fact that now I took a bite with the pickle in there.
Yeah.
Here at Larry Gilbert's Burger Tavern,
Thank you. Not Mulligan's.
eating the DWI burger,
Not the Drunken Burger.
right, with literally the same condiments and everything.
I made one and Mulligan stole the other one.
Honestly, this is not a great burger.
Yeah, I'm gonna get. Well, okay, what's your? You gotta give it the rating.
Okay, so from it's a
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a Larry David.
Is someone else with my name, Larry?
Well, there's another Larry, yeah.
I don't like that. He's gotta change his name. Larry David. I don't know who you are, but you're changing your name.
So, if I had to equate to like a numerical, I would probably
Yeah.
give it a. Oh boy, I can't believe I'm saying this. A 5.9.
All right. I think back when I made this, when it was the DWI burger,
Yeah.
it was a 20 out of 10.
A 20 out of 10.
It was the greatest burger you ever tasted in your life. I put the seasoning, I put the meat, I put the cheese, I put the onions, I put the peppers. Then I drank half a bottle of scotch. Scotch.
Sorry.
You right? You need me to do some mouth to mouth to you?
Oh God, please no.
Good. Well, I don't know. You could taste the burger that I had. It's in my mouth. I don't brush my teeth, so you might taste that original burger.
Okay.
Okay.
No. I said like just okay, just you know.
All right. Fine.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it a. Yeah, all right. So I guess in your numerating system, that's 5.5.
You're giving it a 5.5.
5.5, straight down the middle, between 1 and 10.
But this is your own burger.
No, this is Joe Mulligan's Drunken Burger.
So you're reviewing the Drunken Burger. I'm reviewing.
Well, I am now. I'm not gonna claim this.
Yeah, I don't know. That
No, I just hit a. That tastes like chili. I think we got a chili burger. I think this is a chili burger.
yeah. I'm not enjoying This burger.
I don't think this is my Drunken Burger.
God, and that pickle is terrible. I don't know what kind of, that's not a dill pickle. That's a, oh, this is, damn, wow. Well, Larry,
Yeah.
how do you end your show? I mean, I said 5'9", you said 5'5". How do you end your show?
5'9", 5'5". Ladies and gentlemen, why is it still going?
I don't have a camera guy.
What?
Jared's not here, so I don't have a camera guy.
Jared. Where'd he go? Jared's?
No. Yeah, he opened up Jared's. Yeah,
That makes sense. If I owned the Diamond Restaurant,
you'd put your name on it.
I wouldn't be running a camera crew either.
I mean, that's why the name is up. Your name is up on this place.
That's
right?
exactly right.
Yeah.
That's why I'm using your YouTube for my YouTube.
You want a little? You want me to take over here? Because you just don't say anything at the end here.
I'll tell you what. Why don't you show me what you do, and then we'll see.
Okay. Well, you can stay here and
All right.
focus here. So
I'll watch.
Usually, what I do is
Yeah, I'm watching.
I try to get up here so that it gets in
Yeah.
focus, and I thank people for watching.
Okay.
I tell them, even though I think maybe this order got mixed up a little bit.
Yeah.
With Joe trying to mess with him, I would say definitely still come here to Larry Gilbert's Burger Tavern,
Not Mulligan's.
aka Mulligan's, in Farmingdale, New Jersey.
That's right.
Definitely still come here because the vibes are great, and I'm pretty sure in another dimension, another parallel universe, I actually filmed a comedy sketch pilot here. So
A sketch?
A sketch, yeah.
You were making a picture?
Yeah. In a way, this is sort of meta right now.
Meta.
Yeah. So it's getting
Meta
dark.
what?
No matter what.
No matter what?
No matter what.
No matter what.
No matter what.
I understand that.
So definitely still come out. It's right off Squankum
Yellowbrook.
Yellowbrook Road.
Yeah.
Elton John is here all the time, and
I love that guy.
I love him too. I think it's great.
Yeah.
Great glasses, really good glasses.
I only know him from the Lion King soundtrack.
Oh, please keep the lights on us. Now it's getting brighter. It's perfect. So yeah, I just say thank you. Definitely come here because the beer's flowing. The greatest bathrooms in all of Gavon County.
I say that.
You say that.
We got the cleanest bathrooms in Gabon County. They're so clean, you could eat a burger off of them. How'd you know?
Dude, I think I just got deja vu.
You been talking to Louie? Louie! No, I'm gonna...
Larry? Larry?
Louie! I knew it was you. I knew it. I knew it.
Did we have the burger in it?
Yeah, well...
I made this burger. I made it.
Oh, I gotta go throw it out then.
All right, bye, Larry. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and definitely come out here to Larry Gilbert's Burger Tavern, and I'll see you on the next review. Burger.
Larry Gilbert's Burger Tavern review.